2 years ago, we bought a small dragon fruit plant from our local hardware store here in Central Florida. It grew and grew and grew and ended up becoming 3 pots full of rooted cuttings. We felt that the average trellis in a pot was not very stable, and the ones we saw had become crooked over time, so we decided to plant it directly in the yard. This is a short video on how you can make one of these trellises yourself. We didn't want to set the trellis in concrete, so we used a fence post anchor, which we drove into the ground. Ultimately, it could be moved if necessary, but should stay secure and straight over the years. Here's a list of material and tools we used. The posts are redwood because of its resistance to rot and to insects. First, cut the 4x4 to a length that will become the height of your trellis. We made ours 5.5 feet tall. Cut 4 18-inch boards from the 2x4. We used 2.5-inch long number 10 screws that came with a free bit. Lay the wood out in a square and screw together all the pieces. Drilling pilot holes makes it easier to screw together. Then add a cross brace. Ours was about 15.5 inches long. Don't cut the cross brace until you measure exactly how long it needs to be. Dig the grass out of the area and amend the soil with some organic outdoor potting mix. Make sure the hole is wide enough so you don't have trouble mowing around it. Pound the anchor in with a sledgehammer, keeping it plumb with a level. Angle it to the most visually pleasing direction. Plane all 4 sides of one end of the 4x4 post because they're usually too wide to slide into the anchor. After a few tries, we got it to the right size and then secured it to the anchor with wood screws. Screw the canopy onto the 4x4. It's easy to use a ladder and connect it when the post is in the anchor. Finally, plant your dragon fruit cuttings close to the base and tie them to the post. Over time, they will put out aerial roots that will grab onto the post, making them more secure. Ours will still require some thinning and training, but for today, we're happy it's in a permanent place.